Cheia. Oi, não comer a barulho. Tira lá, não
Manya wale wase wala msika kwa mijima vya mwanda ila mami. Sio kitu cha mwanda ingekuwa kwa nyare. Mami je bale kwa mama.
Mama je bale. Wala nya kwa mama.
Aje tu. Acabou le passe.
Chego.
Estaba como por el niño venía moría o la
Entonces, mira con t-shirt. Bwana kwa deja ngombusi. Nganzi. Bano kwa t-shirt. Ake muzee akaya t-shirt.
Na senti yasikozemu nenda. So tugenda kukyogera ko banane kutubaragane Qur'an kitugamba. Basaba omusa. Tumaze emyaka 25 tufuna mukisa. Naye musaba muleme tukyayira wamu. Bwe mulaba asobola okukola musobolayo omusongako ne mugamba nti okutulowooza wa mukozi yadde nga tetuli ki ate ekyo kikkibizibwa simanyi nti kirimu owaharamu bonna basaba tukkirize naffe tubaweerezeeko oba oli awo tunaatuuka ku bintu ebinene. Salaamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Timu yangu. Amepira baliwa balala. Mamuna agenda waliwo kwata mukono sawa na mkulu aliwo. Nagera mu office. Omanyi we mbona abana bigire bintu matoya ka kwata mjewu. Manager wa mayani. Ate mwebisa amaso. Kujangu. Timu mpira kwange muliwa. Timu yewe. Madazi.
Mama tu una cuerda, cuadrando poco más. Ya tú se da. Fatuma.
Fatuma.
Unazze wano. Tuli mukola mbalagala wano nga mugamba bannaye nti mami tatuwe fa abiri mu kyawansi. Ano ati goli wako. Yono honorable w'abantu bawansi tabula goli.
Nga tutambudde mu kikaya A, kikaya B, simanyi batugenda obudde bugenda tukkiriza okutuuka ku muluka ogwokusatu. Kikaya ng'omuluka guliko ebyalo 5. Sorry, 6. Tugenda kusooka ku byalo 3, then olunaku oluddako 3, then tusobole okumalayo era okukittaanya ku lunaku olusembayo olwokutaano. Guno omuluka gugenda okubeera ogwokuna nga tutambula twatandika ne Kawempe 1 ne tuddako Empererwe ne tuva Empererwe ne tudda mu Kazangola, kati guno gwe muluka ogwokuna. Kikaya nga bwe mukirabye erimu byo ebikomera bingi naye nga bantu beitu bantu batukunda mnonga. So ono ye kansala waffe flag bearer Anet, ono ye chairman waffe owa Kikaya B, ate ono ye mwami Katumba gwe mumanyi obulungi atukulira mu lutabaalo luno. Tutambula nga tubuuza ku bantu ekyo kye basinga okwagala n'owulira biki bye boogera ebibaluma nabo ne basobola okuwulirirako first hand. Tulina abalonzi 21 buli omu yandyagadde tutuuke mu makaage, naye ffe tugenda kukola nnyo nga bwe kisoboka okutuuka kwa bonna be tunaasobola okukola ki okutuukako. Ebizibu by'ebimu baagala tubakolere zino enguudo ze mulaba ez'omunda feeder roads, baagala tubeere nga twongezaako ku PDM, omuwendo gwa PDM yadde jjo Ministry y'ebyensimbi nga neebaza omukulembeze waffe President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni okuta obuwumbi 259 obwagenze mu PDM owa kkooti eno esembayo mu mwaka, era naye bwe butuukira ku muluka nga ssente si nnyingi abasobola okuwanika emikono. Tusaba PDM eve ku bukadde 10 edde ku 3, eve ku 3 edde ku bikadde 5, basobole okubeera nga abantu bakola ki babuna, at least babeera bangi abagamba nti tufunye. Katuyina n'ebizibu eby'emisango egyekuusa ku nkomerero y'omwaka. Mukimanyi obubbi bukola ki bweyongera, buli LC gye ntuuseeko ekaaba ekizibu ky'ababbi abakoze eki abakutte ejjembe. Tusaba Katonda abatutaase ffenna tukomekereze guno omwaka mirembe, ate tubeere nga tuyingira 2026 omwaka ogw'ensonga gwe mugenda otulonderamu nga mututiikinga bulungi. W'olaba basi tiikinga. Nkitegedde. Okay. Nkyamba bannakawempe North temutuwangako mikisa okumalira ddala emyaka 25. Temubanja ffeffe ababaasi, mubanja mwatobeka baasi ne mugitobeka n'ekintu ekirala kye siyinza na kumanya. Naye gwe mukwate olujegere lwa baasi mutuweeko omukisa mulabe baasi bweweereza abantu. Okay, to inform the public on our dear broadcaster UBC that we are here in Kikaya Parish. Kikaya Parish has 6 villages. We have so far covered Kikaya A and Kikaya B. We hope to go to Chikuru as well, and then we shall cover the 3 other villages in the 2nd day and the 3rd day. We are given only 3 days in each parish. This is the 4th parish that I've covered in the EC roadmap. I want to thank God that people have really understood me. I have also worked with these chairpersons. Before I nominated, I gave them something where they sit. I think you've seen those yellow chairs which bear my name. I gave them before I got nominated. People want this method of door-to-door, njukunju, tujiita lujikuluji. People prefer that method because we are able to hear from them and they are able to see us and hear from us. Many other times they just see us on TV and they don't even know that we will ever come where they live. we are also able to see the situation on the ground. So I thank government for the 259 billion that they have offered for PDM. I thank you, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for that vision of ending household poverty. But I would really want to request the government to reconsider the amounts that come up to the parish. We see 259 billion is a lot of money, but by the time it reaches the parish, very few people can access it. Our prayer, we are very grateful first of all for it, but our prayer is that the amounts increase up to 500 million shillings so that there can be many people who can access these businesses. I want to tell government that wherever we have moved, people are doing something, especially the women. I'm sorry, I'm not being sectarian, but I'm seeing women pick up so much workstation, small businesses. They're doing something, and the youth, and I'm very happy. The youth are channeling borders. So we look forward to channeling them in the border loans, the market people in the market, a Katare loan, things like that that will be able to booster their businesses. What I can assure them as a candidate, I really wish that they give us a chance this time round. It's been 25 years. It's not us who have been the MPs or councillors. It's been them. So let them give us a chance. We serve in this government.
On security or challenges that they have told you, how are you going to make sure that challenges are handled?
First of all, as a member of parliament, I'll use the committees in parliament. We have a health committee, we have an education committee, we have a women committee, we have the children's committee. So many committees that I can lobby. As a member of parliament, I'm allowed to sit in each committee, though I'm only allowed to vote in one. So I can lobby my friends to be able to pass things that affect papers that are going to cabinet, that are going to be worked on for the people. That way I can. But also, as I've said, this is the NRM government. As a member of parliament who is NRM, I can lobby my leaders on behalf of this. It's not my mandate as a member of parliament, but I have no choice to say that in Chikaya we need feeder roads. I have no choice to say that we need to increase PDM, to add my voice, to be their voice, because they are not able to reach in those offices. But once they push me, I become their voice. I become their person to lobby for what they want. Yes.
Ugambye woka walumu
Chikofira Nambi Farida waliwo Kizito ate Kizito yali taata wange awo Amina Lukanga
Neyansiza. Yes, I can't be naked, but we need the vote. Thank you.
Tayari watayagaliza
Naye mtunu chamwe